me that sex bite of that mo. One bite of that dro. Just puffed on the thick blunt, cause I'm trying to get in that zone. ASAP, we about to go on the scene. You better maybe see spritz. But first you gotta hit stagecoach and get a head start on these drinks.
Yeah, girl, I'm rolling with my crew. Gotta hit around Bill so you can come join us with your stew. It's cool, we got plenty of space. We go into that place where we get turned up at your face.
She puts bad chicks and they thick. Swag game so sick. Mommy tryna act lady, but I add too, she freaky. And I'm tryna play the shit sneaky, cause I wanna get with her friend. And her friend be tryna get with me, so we both playing the way man.
But it's cool, cause I think her friend, she read the sign. After a couple lines, dog I was holding like it's mine and we let go. She always moved towards the flow. She knew that I don't dance, so she would grind up on my best like just let go. So she dropped it to the floor. I told her, girl, we do not know what we doing in this club. Now everybody keeps on asking me. I told her, girl, we do not know. So she dropped it to the floor. Now everybody keeps on asking me.
The squad is here, let go in. Ikhaphi igcwele codeine, OD3 yasiqala codeine. Short disaster solinkantini full tank on iziyasha ekhasini. Solingane sithwale echalkini, Thunder Cats ihante eklabhini. Zinhlingana senze something, lalela mangi ngitshele something. Shisa bay ispami nayini, sihlala on uclean ulayini. No busy drink, relax cocktail, the club is lit, asishoni isecond. Engani down, the body's banging. Engani nasitosi grand we hanging. Via night till the morning, I'm a shit out chair, they busy asking. That's your girl, my G, she banging. Back umthwalo G, she packing. District dog, yazi petting. She going in before she twerking. Ngidlala ibhonge yele skating. Ngomfake ekasi embale 13. Akana flop, it's on a sambeni. Into zakhona kumnandi emhlabeni. Fiki Craig, ngibizo Camben. Richard yesimanje, libeke tavern. Turn up all night, sislala u7. Umswenko white, ngathi angel. Mntwana ubhese kwaye heaven. Zofunda ikaso chike 7. Zogija idlozi, wanda Spice Man.
Just let go. So she dropped it to the floor. I told her, girl, we do not know what we doing in this club. Now everybody keeps on asking me. I told her, girl, we do not know. So she dropped it to the floor. Now everybody keeps on asking me.
Yo, was that your girl? She smiled at me, she's gone. Don't leave around my crew because my niggas stay hands on. After 5 shots of Patron, she started looking like a top model, so I ordered by 5 more. Now she hot, so hot. Once again, we going full throttle. Tell the bomb and need the whole bottle. She looked at me and said, "Ha, my name is Carmen and I'm half Italian, but my Louis ain't time fly." Her confidence is on fleek. Yo, she knocked me off of my feet, and so I had to give her the deep.